So sitting outside the closet, here is the closet entrance. And as we come into the closet, I have it on extra wide, so it's going to be slightly skewed in view. But we have this amoeba parabolic organic shaped mirror, which is really nice. Once again, I want to say, I don't remember where we got that from, West Elm, Wayfair, something like that. These are the original hardwood floors. They're oak, and I'm not going to show you everything because the house is definitely not ready for being shown, and it's under construction in a lot of ways. And as we come in, we put this underlayment, which is just under a 1/4 inch thick, around the whole closet. That's what we did for